Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is Helper Hut here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I will mention how to check spelling and grammar in Microsoft Word. So this will hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the Microsoft Word, select the File tab up in the top left, go down and select Options on the left panel here. Select proofing on the left side. On the right side, you want to go down to where it says check spelling as you type, as well as mark grammar errors as you type and frequently confuse words. Check grammar with spelling. Make sure all they are check marked. And then once you are done with that, you go ahead and select OK. And that's pretty much it. And if you want to perform a quick spell check, you can go ahead and select the review tab and select versus spelling and grammar. Go ahead and left click on that, and it will go ahead and run a manual spell check for your Word document and see if there are any issues it detects. So pretty straightforward process here guys. Do a possible to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.